Hello everyone, and a warm welcome to Stock Explorer, my YouTube channel. I am Arup, and I am excited to take you on a thrilling journey to discover one stock that have the power to shine brightly in the times ahead. Today I am going to introduce you to our pick for this session, that is Jupiter Wagons Ltd, will in short JWL. I put a lot of time into researching company data, and your support means a lot to me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on this enlightening journey. Thank you for being a part of it. Jupiter Wagon Limited, or JWL, is an integrated railway engineering company with a primary focus on manufacturing freight wagons. In addition to this core business, JW has a diversified into product application based load bodies, commercial vehicles, braking system, complete track solution, and marine containers for both domestic and international markets. The company operates 8 advanced facilities for production and testing, strategically located across Kolkata, Jamshedpur, Jabalpur, Indore, Baddi, and have a development center in Pune. Notably, each wagon manufacturing facility in West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh has 4 kilometers of siding, that is, the low speed railway track for dispatching finished product. However, it is essential to exercise caution. Investing in stock requires thorough research. I delve into their financial growth prospect and market dynamics to ensure we are making smart choices. Our ultimate goal is to identify companies that can offer promising return to investors in coming days. So stay tuned as we dig deeper into the JWL and explore its potential as an investing opportunity. Let's embark on the exciting journey together. Thank you for joining me, and let's get started. Uh, let's start with the business overview. As of March 31st, 2023, the wagon segment contributed 79% of the total revenue, while remaining 21% came from other areas such as containers, brake disc, and CMS crossing. Geographically, the company derives 99% of its revenue from the domestic market. So it is purely dependent on the domestic market. However, they are making some penetration in African countries with the along with RITES. Now, these are the major 5 segments. One is commercial vehicle and load bodies, which is fully built vehicle. I mean FBV. They call it FBV. A key player in the load body application for commercial vehicle, with a strong ties with the major commercial vehicle manufacturer like Tata Motors and Volvo Eicher. Commercial Vehicle Limited. I shall give you some picture in the next slides to help you understand an overview of their product portfolio. And coming back to freight wagon, it is certified by Railway Authority. The company now delivers railway wagon to private operator, also boosting its growth in the high demand segment. General fabrication. This is basically a tailor-made fabrication with a strong pollution norms being implemented in power sector. There is a surge of requirement on fabricated item for FGD, that is fuel gas desulfurization. The company is keeping a close look in the market and will re-enter in if the situation in the segment improves. The company sees a potential opportunity in the segment, which could support the Atmanirbhar Bharat drive for the government. The company has recently received an order in the segment from a renowned player engaged in the port infrastructure. Now, coming back to fourth, it's a brakes. It is a joint venture with the Covis, producing brake disc assembly for Indian Railways, including brake system, brake disc, fabricated bogies, coupler, draft gear for passenger train, axle-mounted disc brake, and other various items. So this is their technology product. So they are this is you can consider as a new vertical. Jupiter Electric Mobility. This is also a new vertical. They enter they call it a JEM. They have a separate portal for this. JEM set to introduce uh, uh, electric commercial vehicle in response to the growing demand of EV solution. They entered into the EV market, offering a lithium-ion battery for Vande Bharat train and exploring opportunities with Indian Railways for Linke Hoffman Bosch coaches, that is LHB coaches. Uh, Before it continues, there are six key factors you all know. I consider when picking stocks. I especially look into the current stock price fairness, financial performance, growth potential, unique business model, and debt management. So these are the pillars I check in. The market cap of JWL is 14,690 crores. It has a good ROE and ROC, ROE of 16.8% and ROCE of 24.4%. It is not fairly priced. However, I consider this because it got a lot of potential. The price to book value is 18.2. Compared to that, current price is quite higher end. It is expensive or too expensive, you can say. It has a low debt. Debt to equity is 0.36, which is very less. Place share is nil. Public holding is minimum 25.1%. Both sales and profit increasing year on year basis. Sales grown 50%, 55%, and profit grown at 327%, which is one of the reason I picked up this stock. Business has a less risks, however. One of the risks which I anticipate is the government policies and the cope up with the order fulfillment. This is the slide which where I try to give the product range consolidated. This is all cut paste from their portal only. So this is the fabricated commercial vehicles. These are the wagon. These are the last row is about the new product, that is a EV starts. This is the basically one of the commercial vehicle they are launching. Going to launch, I don't know, probably in the beginning of 2024. And these are the brake system, and this is probably the picture of a Vande Bharat bogie. Let's go to the next. This is the my, disclaimer. Before we proceed further, I want to present this disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered or authorized stock analyst. My analysis is based on stock performance data, trend from recent company reports, along with business figures from various sources. Please note, this is solely my personal study. I do not recommend you to invest based on it. I strongly advise you to consult with your financial advisor before making any investment decision. This is what is a list of 16 stocks which I recommended you in a couple of weeks. I started this channel on 10th of July. So since then I have added 16 stock in this. So this is the time to show how stock is perform bad or good. Okay. So this is what let's assume this Excel sheet actually displays the initial investment value and the current value of this stock. So if you see, the initial investment value is this column, and the current value is this. It is not that every stock has grown. There are some stocks which are in the negative also. But overall gain, if you see that on an average, if you have invested 50,000 rupees in the stock when I recommended you, that time total investment would have been 80,786 rupees. After average of 45 days, this fund value had grown at 91,898.4% as on this last Friday. Okay, if you see, it is a growth of 13.76% on a average of 45.2 days. So just I'll pick up one stock to give you an example. Let's consider Ujjivan Small Finance as the first pick, assuming I bought 130 shares at 38 each on 10 July. That is the day when I recommended. Those same shares are priced currently at 49.45 rupees, consequently after 57 days. Okay, the stock value has increased by 30.13%. Similarly, all the 16 stocks have either gained or lost some percentage, with the majority experience of growth. If you see, there are negative also. There are three negative I can see easily. However, the overall growth is positive. Now, if we examine overall growth, it amounts 13.76%. So, which I told you. Okay. Please note, this investment in stock carries inherent risks. This presentation is for information purpose only. Consulting a financial advisor before making investment decision. Let's come to the recent financial performance, that is quarter one financial year 24. What I said in the beginning slide, that sales growth 155%, whereas PAT profit after tax is grown at 374% or 75%. EBITDA also grown year on year 217%, which is very excellent as per my rating. Key development. This is the key development I had cut and paste from their presentation. Order for freight weight volume of 2,150 wagon, approximately 1060 crores received from private parties. NCLT approved was received for acquisition of Stone India Ltd, which is one of the another stalwart fabrication company. JWL strategic entry into the global market by signing a long-term MOU with RITES Limited to explore opportunities in the international market for railways rolling stock project. JWL and RITES have jointly engaged in 2 tenders in Zimbabwe and Mozambique. 620 freight wagon is currently in the final stage. In the marine container business, company has secured a contract for 40 feet open top coiled containers with a pilot order worth of 10 crores rupees. Also received a LOI from a Indian subsidiary for the supply of 1,000 unit of flex inverter container for the fiscal year 2024-25. Their order book, you can see, is quite a healthy. It is 6122 crores as on June 30, 23. This is the 1 year price movement chart. I invested JWL on 8th March 2023 at a rupees of 109 rupees 40 paisa. It was only on 31st August 2023 that I truly understand the company's strength after watching an interview with their MD Vivek Lohia on CNBC. I encourage you to watch this interview too. The if you see the this shows the movement of the price over a period. It always have a upward trend. That is the one characteristic I can find. And second, it had never fallen below the 200-day moving average. If you see the black line is the 200 days moving average, it never crossed below that. This is the 3 years slide. The same characteristics. It is always in upper trend and never fallen below 200 days moving average. This is the comparison I give always for the peer companies. Okay. This so that you can understand where we are standing. This is the concluding slide. I compare JWL with Hindustan Aeronautics, Thermax, Bharat Dynamics, Titagar Rail, Elecon Engineering Company, BEML. I have highlighted based on the value for each parameter in the green, indicating the lowest PV, debt, PEG ratio, and more, and the highest profit and sales growth. This will provide you a clear picture of how JWL position itself among its competitors. Jupiter Wagon has demonstrated robust financial performance compared to its peer. You can note it here in the sales and profit column. However, there is always the inherent risks of the policy change by the government, Indian government, and timely execution of pending order. So these are the two risks I anticipate. For those who have been following my channel, you may recall my earlier pick of Elecon Engineering Company on 12th of July 2023, which has already shown impressive growth of 30%. Please remember this analysis is for informational purpose only. It is crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decision. Your supports keep this channel going, so please like, comment and share, encourage my effort in this journey. Thank you for being a part of my channel, and I wish you all a wonderful day and happy weekend. Thank you.